Uyghur history begins as a nomadic community during the Huns period from 300 BC to 630 AD. The Uyghur kingdom was established by Kutlug Bilge Khagan between 745 and 840 AD, and they transitioned to a settled life. The Uyghurs were one of the first Turkic communities to adopt a settled lifestyle. From 840 to 1209 AD, the Karakoja Uyghur kingdom was founded and existed in the Turfan Basin. With the rise of the Mongol Empire, from 1209 to 1600 AD, the Uyghurs served as bureaucrats in the Mongol Empire, and the Uyghur script became the Mongol national script. Present-day Uyghurs live in the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of China. The Uyghur language and writing systems. We can examine the Uyghur language under three main headings. 1. Old Uyghur Turkish 9th-14th centuries. Language group, it belongs to the Siberian, northeastern branch of Turkic languages. It is not a direct ancestor of modern Uyghur. The living descendant of Old Uyghur is largely considered to be Western Uyghur. Alphabets used. The Orkhan-Gakturk alphabet. The Old Uyghur alphabet, developed from Sogdian. Written vertically from left to right, and used by the Mongols. Manichaean, Sogdian, Brahmi scripts. Used periodically under the influence of adopted religions. 2. Chagatai Turkish period 15th, early 20th century. Language group, Chagatai was the common literary language of all Central Asian Turkic peoples, forming the basis of modern Uyghur Turkish. Characteristic, words borrowed from Arabic and Persian heavily influenced the vocabulary after the adoption of Islam. Writing systems, largely based on the Arabic alphabet were used. 3. New, modern Uyghur Turkish today. Language group, it belongs to the Karluk Southeastern Turkic group, it is the modern continuation of Chagatai. Alphabets used. Uyghur Arabic alphabet UY, the official script of Xinjiang East Turkestan, it is a reformed, fully alphabetic Arabic script that shows all vowels. Uyghur Cyrillic alphabet, used among Uyghurs living in former Soviet regions like Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. Uyghur Latin alphabet ULY, used as a substitute in online environments and by the diaspora. In summary, Uyghur Turkish was shaped by the Karluk and Chagatai traditions and influenced by Chinese, Sanskrit, Persian, and Arabic. Today, it primarily uses the Uyghur Arabic alphabet UY. Uyghur medicine. They were the first to discover and practice acupuncture. It has a history spanning approximately 5,300 years. A stone acupuncture needle was found in excavations at the Dua Luncher ruins in Inner Mongolia in 1963. Archaeologists and medical history experts agree that this stone needle, carved from jade with sharpened ends and thought to date back 4,000 years, is the first acupuncture needle, the Bianchi. Investigations have determined that the inscriptions on this stone pin belong to the ancient Uyghur Turks. Inscriptions written in Uyghur script, depicting acupuncture points on the body, were found in Etiket, the former Uyghur capital near Turfan in Xinjiang. In the Tang dynasty's Western Lands Memorandum circa 905, Chinese historian Doi writes that she witnessed with astonishment a Uyghur physician performing brain surgery. A stone carving in earth during excavations in Songjishan, China, in 1979, was published in the article History of Acupuncture. In the 1982 Journal of Chinese Traditional Medicine, this is said to be the first acupuncture practice in history. Uyghur literature. One of the most important poets in Turkish history. Alisherdavai Chahardivan, Hemsa. Mahmud of Kashgar, Divanai Lugatit Turk. Yusuf has Hasip has works called Kudatku Bilig. The printing press, the invention of the Uyghurs. The printing press was first used by the Uyghurs. They invented movable type and used wooden type printing. The Uyghurs played a major role in the spread of printing to the West. Europe became aware of the Uyghur printing technique through the Mongols in the 13th century. Gutenberg was not the inventor of the printing press, but merely its developer. Uyghur population. A total of 10,071,394 Uyghurs live within the borders of China. Thus, Uyghurs constitute approximately 0.76% of the total Chinese population. History of religion. The Uyghurs have embraced various religious beliefs throughout history. During the reign of BCB Umlab Kagan in the 8th century, Manichaeism became the official religion of the Uyghur Khaganate. Besides Manichaeism, the Uyghurs have also historically practiced Buddhism and Nestorian Christianity. Most Uyghurs today are Sunni Muslims of the Hanafi school of thought. In China, Uyghurs constitute the second largest, predominantly Muslim ethnic group after the Hui. Xinjiang. Xinjiang is the largest region in the People's Republic of China, covering more than 1/6 of China's total area, with an area of 1,665,000 square kilometers. The region is divided by the Tiashan Mountains into two basins, the Zhongarian Basin and the Tarim Basin. The lowest point in Xinjiang, also China, is 155 meters below sea level. The highest point, at 8,611 meters, lies on the border with Kashmir. It is an autonomous region in northwest China. It borders the Tibet Autonomous Region to the south, Qinghai and Gansu provinces to the southeast, Mongolia to the east, and Russia to the north. It also borders Kazakhstan to the northwest, and Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and the Indian-controlled Kashmir region to the west. Its capital is Urumqi, and its official languages are Uyghur and Mandarin Chinese. Xinjiang's arid desert climate has allowed for the cultivation of large quantities of crops, making it one of China's main fruit-producing regions. The melons of Qumel, the seedless grapes of Turpan, the pears of Korla, and the apples of Gulia are world-famous. Uyghur food. Common ingredients in Uyghur cuisine include roasted mutton, kebabs, rice, and baked goods. Due to the Muslim population, the food is predominantly halal. Famous dishes of the Uyghurs include naan, lemon, polo, kebab, mante, samsa, chachura, and kordak.